Welcome to FiiRE, India's first tourism tech incubator based out of Goa. FiiRE tourism ecosystem includes innovation, business, and skills. We realized that to build an ecosystem in tourism tech, we need all these three verticals. Innovation is for startups and business is for small and medium enterprises. To create good entrepreneurs and create good startups, we realized the importance of skill. So that's why we have one of our verticals for skilling at FiiRE. We support tourism tech related courses. The importance of FiiRESkills is like talent attracts talent, and at FiiRE we nurture talents through FiiRESkills. The objective is to bring really good talents through the various programs we have at FiiRESkills, which allows us to source good talents for different sectors in tourism. It can be in hospitality, travel, food. At FiiRESkills, we have experts who got more than 20 plus years of experience and trained 5,000 plus Goan youth for over the period of last 2 decades. And we believe with the expertise and the experience we have at FiiRESkills, we will be able to provide best courses. At FiiRESkills, we look forward to nurture Goan youth and make them industry ready.